In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new template using the Json2Video platform. First things first, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, it doesn't matter. All of them will work just the same. Once you have your browser open and ready to go, navigate to the Json2Video website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you're already registered, just enter your credentials and you'll be good to go. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen. This is where the navigation panel is located, and you'll see various options listed here. Among these options, find and click on the one labeled Templates. This will direct you to the Templates section where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Templates page, direct your attention to the right side of the page. Here, you'll notice a button that says plus Add New Template. This is a vital tool for building your projects, so go ahead and click it. When you do, a new template will magically appear on your screen, ready for you to customize and make your own. The next step involves a bit of personalization. Look for the three-dot icon located on the right side of your newly created template. When you click on this icon, a menu will drop down, providing you with several options. The one you want is Edit Name and Tag. Selecting this option allows you to rename your newly created slide. This is your chance to give your template a name that reflects its content or purpose, something that makes it easily identifiable later on. And just like that, you've successfully created and customized a new template on Json2Video. It's quick, straightforward, and now you're ready to use your new template for your next project. Remember, if you missed any step or need to repeat the process for more templates, you can always revisit these instructions, and soon you'll be navigating and utilizing this platform with even greater ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy creating!